Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Health Zaroori. Today we're talking about something delicious and nutritious, oranges. These juicy fruits aren't just a refreshing snack. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and other powerful compounds that can do wonders for your health. So let's dive into the 15 amazing benefits of oranges. 1. A powerhouse of vitamin C. Oranges are one of the best natural sources of vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. This potent antioxidant helps fight off infection, prevent colds and flu, and protect your cells from damage. 2. Boosts skin health. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production, which gives your skin its elasticity and firmness. Eating oranges can help keep your skin looking youthful, radiant, and protected from sun damage. 3. Aids in iron absorption. Oranges are a good source of citric acid, which enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based sources. This is especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans who need to ensure they're getting enough iron in their diet. 4. Promotes heart health. Oranges are packed with potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and protect against heart disease. They also contain folate, which can lower homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart disease. 5. Supports digestive health. The fiber in oranges helps keep your digestive system healthy and regular. It can also promote gut health by feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. 6. Reduces cholesterol levels. Oranges contain a compound called pectin, which can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and improve your overall cholesterol profile. 7. Helps manage diabetes. Oranges have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause large spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes them a healthy snack option for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. 8. Improves vision. Oranges are a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision. It can help prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 9. Aids in weight management. Oranges are low in calories and fat but high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. This can support your weight management goals. 10. Reduces inflammation. Oranges are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This may be beneficial for conditions like arthritis, asthma, and Crohn's disease. 11. Detoxifies the body. Oranges are a good source of water and fiber, which can help flush out toxins from the body. This can improve your overall health and well-being. 12. Boosts brain health. Oranges contain flavonoids, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. They may also help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 13. Supports mood. Oranges are a natural source of vitamin B6, which helps produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. Eating oranges can help improve your mood and reduce symptoms of depression. 14. Enhances athletic performance. Oranges are a good source of carbohydrates, which provide energy for your workouts. They also contain electrolytes, which help prevent dehydration and muscle cramps. 15. Versatile and delicious. Oranges are not only healthy, but they're also incredibly versatile and delicious. You can enjoy them fresh, juiced, added to salads and smoothies, or even used in baking. So there you have it, 15 amazing benefits of oranges. These delicious citrus fruits are a simple and tasty way to boost your health and well-being. Be sure to add them to your diet today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.